Wait, wait. Okay. Start over and tell me action.
Action!
All right.
Why we had to come back to this place anyways, folks? Because we're gonna kill all the dinosaurs. I want the island to explode. Well, if we board up the island, that won't be cool. If we just exterminate the dinosaurs, then we will survive, okay? Okay. Okay, Dave. Everybody stand at this truck. Wait for Arnold, okay? Okay. Where am I? Oh! Just fell. Yeah. Come on. And pretend they're all asleep. Dun, 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 dun. It won't harm. Please don't eat me.
Oh! Where'd he go? He landed by a huge giant's foot.
No.
He's dead. His truck is dead. Good thing the other men are safe by their vehicles. We better go check on them.
Okay.
Let's see, are they still safe?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. I hope a dinosaur doesn't come.
Okay. I hear Tyrannosaurus Rex coming.
The ground is shaking.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Don't move.
No.
Help! I think he's gonna eat him. Ready? There he goes.
I'm still alive. Hooray.
Hooray!
Hooray.
Hooray! Oh, not anymore.
No, 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 no. No, no, no.
No. Oh.
There's nobody in the truck.
Oh, all right.
I guess the T-Rex is gone.
Yay! Do the happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance.
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park. Hold still. Hold still. Show me. Jurassic Park. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Look at the camera. Smile.